So we got another little Tweety character card thing. Kind of reminds me of the Smurf car I did, or it could have been Trolls. I don't remember. I got too many of these things. So there it is, guys. The Tweety car. Would you expect anything else? No. But it's cute. It's interesting. Very interesting. Wow. This is the epitome, other than the Daffy Duck one, of character cars. It's all steel. Very heavy for what it is. Absolutely. All right, guys, what do you think of that thing? Monster or beautiful creation? Thanks for watching.